no gold is not enough.
Welcome back to our channel, guys. Today is sunny day, Sunday, and today is the 28th of Sunday, and I'm ready with my special hat. Shout out to mom. Shout out to mom. She made this for us. Look, it's amazing. Perfectly fits on my head because I have a bigger head. That's the problem. So today it's a good day to plant some of our vegetables that yesterday we bring from our village. I'm gonna show you guys, and I think, yeah, that's it. Let's go. I'm gonna show you guys after this. Alright, that's it. It's we call this one in Thailand ulam, and this one is I think this one is chili, the bird eye chili or chili padi. So we're going to plant it, use the slash that we taken from the mill yesterday. So using slash is a great place to start your vegetable, to plant anything. All right, let's try. Shiba, you wanna come to adventure with us and plant the chili? Oh yeah. Hey, I think he's ready. He said it's ready, Daddy. He said, okay, you can come. Okay, I'm going to get gloves for my wife. I'm setting up camera here so you guys can see me what I'm doing. Alright, let's change the car, park there, because we bring this slush and it make terrible smell. So my dad just washed this morning and it's all clean, and now we just want the sun to dry it up and kind of give it sanitize a bit. So now I'm going to the store to restore our engine generator. And for the meantime, you guys can see my wife, what she up to. So what are you trying to do now?
Clean.
Okay. Or just get the...
Because our chili not grow up.
Okay.
Mau tanam baru.
Okay.
Nah, kita ambil slash hari itu. Saya mau coba lagi, guys.
Alright.
Yang ini cili putih. Ini sejak yang tumbuh. Ini mau mati, ini sudah. Ada cili gondong, saya pindah ke sana lagi. Kita mau buang-buang nih, kita simpan slash lagi. campur tanah nih.
Guys, this is the slash that we taken from the mill the other day. So we're going to scoop this and mix it with this soil. So
Tidak tumbuh-tumbuh sel.
yeah, basically this is kinda I think a waste from the palm fruit that they process from the mill. So this is the waste. So this is, they call it slash. So this contain a lot of nutrient in the soil, so you can grow your veg or any plant or anything in really good condition, in a good way, I mean. So we're going to mix it with this soil. So okay, just like that. So you guys see, my wife just mix it. Okay, in the meantime I'm going to poop. Oh my god. Wow. Should we add some more? Just like that. Oh, papaya. Oh, papaya inside here.
Matay oh.
Matay mo.
Matay nakalap ko.
Okay.
Matay.
It's okay.
Abi dun sa
Di wan ka? We have one more
Salaran.
here.
Matay na video na.
Yeah.
Wah. Oke guys, saya sudah campur ini tanah tadi, tanah merah nih yang saya tanam cili dulu tuh, mati terus, mati habis. Sedikit saja yang hidup. Saya mau campur dengan slash lagi guys. Harap-harap jadilah semua cili saya. Ada anak cili mak bagi balik kampung itu. Dengan itu ulam, biji ulam apaan, kita cobalah. Saya tidak tidak berapa pandai tanam, bercocok tanam nih guys. Berapa tahun belum tidak bercocok tanamnya karena kita duduk, karena kita pergi itu kan bandar kan, tidak tanah lagi, dan sekawin nih baru tidak tanah lagi. Hey darling,
Yes.
take the one for me.
Okay, Ken.
I want to put here. Jangan tanam-tanam sini. Ini kita tidak cukup guys.
This one?
Ya,
Which one for the
oke.
Oh.
Yang ulamnya kita simpan sana.
This one is chili.
Ya, chili. You hold first.
Can I put inside first?
You put in here. Ya udah langsung. Kita simpan.
So basically, we just put water inside here from kampong so that it will survive until today. So now we're going to plant it inside here. So as you guys can see, some are already in that one, this one. Yes, my wife has planted this one. This is a chili, and the other one we're going to. I think another one is chili. Yeah,
Chili.
chili. So I'm going to give it to her.
You take from here yang cannot
Okay, can.
tutu.
Two.
Full.
Have to be careful. It's very fragile. So how many baby you want? Two baby.
Like our babies too.
Okay. So this is all the baby. Chili baby, aka Bimbit Chili. Right. This is
Nanti kita angkat-angkat simpan sana. Sana deh. Kalau straight matahari guys, tulung tidak jadi itu.
Alright, this is all that we planted earlier. So we put it here, a little bit of sun, a little bit of shade. So this is going to be our new chili. Hopefully they all can grow up nicely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching our video until now. Hope you guys enjoyed it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, like and share, support us in making a new video, great video for you guys. And thank you guys. See you guys in the next video. Peace, yo, take care.